students here. She's learning how to trade Forex, day trading Forex, using free indicators on TradingView, okay? So we have the VSLRT, we have the HTF Candle Insights Expo, the Momentum ZigZag, the HA Market Bias, and the UT Bot Alerts, okay? You can find all those indicators right here. So, for example, if you want to find the VSLRT, is the Volume-supported Linear Regression Trend by Lonesome. It's right here. So you come and favorite it and click on it, and you will get this chart here. And then for the UT bots, you just come here and you just say UT Bot Alerts by Quant Nomad, this one right here. And then the market bias, again, you just do HA market. You just type here market bias. I think that's easier. Yep, right here. This one here by Professor X. Market bias, Professor X. Okay. And then, of course, the HTF Candle Insights Expo by Zaman. This one right here. And then we have the Momentum ZigZag. So you just come here, Momentum ZigZag, which is this one here by Peter O. Okay. And that's it. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 indicators. Okay. So now the time frame you can trade from 5 minutes to any other time frame that you like. So right now I'm showing my student how to be a day trader. She wants to be a day trader. She wants to just set up the trade, go on her business, and come back later and count the profits. So what I'm providing here, guys, for example, is not financial advice. None of us is a financial advisor. I'm just sharing my experience. Some of us have been doing this for many, many years, been online since 1998. Anything online, digital marketing, Forex trading, stocks, options, futures, commodity trading, all kinds of assets. We've been there, been done that. And we have trained a lot of students. So now I'm working one-on-one with one of my students. We are doing it virtually. I'm working with Martha. She's in Sydney, Australia. Because of the power of the internet, you know, guys, we can just get onto a Zoom call, have a 30-minute session, 1-hour session, 2-hour session, 3-hour, whatever you want, okay? And we get you sorted out so that you can learn how to make money and also shorten your learning curve. Okay, so if you are new to our channel, please subscribe. We share very important trainings every other day, every day, sometime every day, sometime twice a day. We share our trainings for free with some of our public, with our audience, because of our students allowing us to do that. Martha has allowed me to share this with the public, this private training, and many other trainings. And we're going to show you how her account is growing right now. So she's building her small account, and she has just taken a trade using these indicators. So right now it's in a drawdown. You can see that. But I'm sure this is going to turn around, and this is where her take profits are. You can see right there. This is her stop loss up there, which was her previous swing high. You can see that was the previous swing high. And she has taken a trade on the H1. Okay. So it's on a drawdown right now. And she is, you can see right where she is right now. Okay. So the lot size here is 10. Account size is about 120,000, 122,000, and she has taken that, and you can see where the take profit is. So there's two possible places for take profits, this one and this one right here. And then there's also, this is where the stop loss is. Okay. So again, she's taking a bigger risk than most of you would do, most beginners. Okay. I will not advise you to do that. But she's taking a bigger risk because she has a bigger account. Okay, you can see that. And at the moment, we are waiting for this. This may take a day or so to get to our take profit. Okay, but you can see it's coming down really fast. Okay, so you can see we were experiencing a drawdown here, but looking at the market bias, it shows a downward trend. If you look at the indicators here, they show us a downward trend. Let me go back and actually put that GBP USD. She was looking at NAS. So you bring GBP USD, and we can go to the 1 hour chart, and you can see it does show going up, but looking at this one here, the market bias, it shows us it's a downward trend. You can see it's all red, okay? It's showing going down, okay? The VSLRT again is also showing going down, even though the histogram is above here, but you can see this is pointing down, showing that it is going down, okay? And then of course you can see here, this one is showing was going up, and then it started going down, and then it's going up again, but you can see it is going down also, very close to the line. So the bias here is a downward trend, okay, and that's why she is taking. And then if you look at the higher time frames, let's say the 4 hours, you can see the 4 hour is showing going, again, it is going down right there. You can see that. Looking at the 1 day, again, you can see the market bias is a downward trend. You can see it is a downward trend, okay? So that's the reasoning that Martha has put here, but she's learning, so sometimes we let our students get in and be a learning moment, okay? So we will report this trade later today or tomorrow, see how the market behaved. Did she actually achieve her goals? And we will see that by coming back here and looking at this trade here. You can see it is going up and down, up and down, up and down. But she feels that this is going to be a sell, a short sell. So she took a short sell of the 10 lot size here. And she's trying to maximize her profit, but at the same time watching out for her drawdowns. Okay, she doesn't want to draw her account down that much because, again, it takes time to recover. But you can see there's this drop down here. Something happened here, and you could see there might have been some news. This is the GBP USD 1 hour time frame. You can see it went down crazy here. Something might have happened there. And then also here, you can see it is like in a ranging market. You can see it just goes up and goes down, goes up, goes down. Not much momentum in here. So that could be affecting her trade, but we are going to let this trade run its course and see what happens. Because we put the what we call risk management. There is a stop loss. Okay, never trade without a stop loss, guys. You can easily just blow this account. If you get a massive drawdown, like see what happened here, these huge candles right here, then you could be in trouble if you don't have a stop loss. And of course, you must have a take profit determined, okay, so that you can make some money. If you have no take profit, then you can, when you walk away from your computer, you could just, candles could go down and then come back. And when you come back, you're at a loss. So those are some of the rookie mistakes that most beginners do. They jump into the trade, but they don't follow the basic trading fundamentals. So you must have a stop loss, and you must have a take profit, and you have to determine how much you're willing to lose, okay? Some of you have different risk tolerances, okay? Some people risk 1% of their account, some people risk 0.5% of their account for every trade. So you determine your risk. Let's say if you have $100 account, because some of these brokers, like the broker that she's using, some of the brokers allow you to trade even small money, okay? So you can start trading even $100, okay? So for somebody who has only $100, you're not going to take a $10, a 10 lot size. Yeah, you'll probably be taking a penny lot size, okay? Because you have a small account, okay? So you can see this is coming home now. Hopefully we'll come down to break even, and we can shift our stop loss downwards based on, if we are in the money, we actually move our stop loss, okay? When we start being in the money, we move our stop loss. So until a point where we are at break even, okay? So we don't risk anything at all. So that's the idea. So if we start getting into the money, start seeing this green or blue here, then we're going to shift our stop loss downwards accordingly, okay? All right, guys, so we're going to keep an eye on this trade. And if you want to see what happens, please subscribe to the channel, like and share this video, and also hit that bell notification so you can be notified when we share the results in the next video. Okay, guys? So right now, there are 3 things that you need. If you're a beginner and you're watching this and you don't know what this is, let me take you back to what you need to do right now. Okay? So you go to this platform here. You can see it's called Tradingview. Okay, that's where all our trainings take place, and this is where most of the traders do their analysis on Tradingview. Okay, it's a wonderful platform. So what you have to do is go and hit the link in the description and open an account with Tradingview. Okay, once you open an account, it's going to require you to upgrade to the paid account. Okay, it's just a cup of coffee per month. Just a cup of coffee. I think it's like $12. But if you use the link, you can get 30% off. Okay, go ahead and open an account. You just need your name and your email address. Okay, very simple. Give them a good email address because you have to verify your account. And then upgrade, so you get the 30%. Once you upgrade, it allows you to use these indicators. Okay, they are free indicators on Tradingview. You don't have to pay for these indicators. But with a free account, you can only use up to 2 of these. Okay, and we need more than 2 so that we increase the probability of winning. Because if you just use 2 indicators, they might tell you take a trade, but then the chances of losing are extremely high. But if you have like 4 indicators, 5 indicators that are in agreement, you increase your probability of winning. The confluence here increases your chances of winning the trades, and that's why we're using indicators. Okay, there are cases where we train our students to trade using support and resistance, just market analysis or trading news. So you don't need a lot of indicators. You may just need 1 or 2. And then you just follow support and resistance. This is where we draw lines. For example, we come here and draw a horizontal line. See right there, for example, we draw a line there. You can extend that to the end. Okay, that was the previous swing low right there. And the previous swing high was this one here. You can draw another line. I'm sorry, let's look for the lines. You have that line over there. You can just come and draw that there. Okay, so you know the market is in here. So when the candles go and break above this resistance line, they start going up. Sometimes they come back and retest that line. Then you can enter for a long trade. Okay, now if they break the below line here, which is the support, and then they continue and come and retest that, and then they start going down again, you can enter for a short trade. Very simple fundamentals, trading support and resistance. So sometimes we do that and we don't need any of these indicators, okay? But Martha has passed that stage, so she's learning how to use multiple indicators that can help her succeed in the market. Now, if you want to be trained one-on-one by one of our coaches, we have coaches from all over the world who have been with us for many, many years. We have, for example, Tajimoto in Tokyo, Japan, who's been with us for over 15 years, doing very well. If you are from the United States, we have so many coaches. We have, for example, in Atlanta, Georgia, Mr. Baker has been with us for over 17 years. If you are from New York, we have Anne-Marie there. If you're from Sacramento, California, Jose has been with us for many, many years. If you are in Florida, we have Mr. Emerson, who's been with us for many, many years, 12 years at least, doing this and very, very successful in what they do. Trading stocks, options, crypto, Forex, many, many things. And with Forex, they can trade so many things, commodities, futures, indices, the NAS 100, US 30, all those assets that you guys hear about, see on YouTube. See, a lot of these gurus have gone through some of our trainings. We've been underground for so many years, but we have trained a lot of people. And the only thing is that during the pandemic, it touched close to our hearts. And we decided that we're going to share some of our private trainings with the public so we can help some individuals at least provide bread for their families. Our goal actually this year is to train at least 1,000 people to get them to the $1 million mark a year. And we are on track to do that. So if you want to be part of the team, part of the group, yeah, you can join the Smart Wolf Club. The link is in the description. Become a member of the Smart Wolf Club, and you can start learning how to make money online, either through the fast money strategy. The fast money strategy involves learning how to trade, the commodities, trading the markets, stocks, indices, options, crypto. And for those of you who want long-term, extremely passive businesses, we get into content strategy. And of course, we employ what we call our technology strategy. So there are 3 strategies that you're going to master in the Smart Wolf Club. Once you master these 3 strategies, this is going to be chicken feed for you guys. You're going to be able to generate incomes at will online. Now, there are no guarantees, right, guys? I hope you understand what I'm saying. There's no guarantee in life. There's no guarantee you'll wake up this morning. There's no guarantee that you're going to be successful. There are no guarantees, okay? So, but if you follow the teachings, if you follow the steps, if you learn from people who are successful, it increases your chances of becoming successful, because they're going to share with you the knowledge, the secrets to become successful. And they're going to show you where to step. They're going to pull you up because they've been there. They've gone through those, and they're going to shortcut your learning curve. Okay, so you don't spend too much time, too money, or waste a lot of time and money trying to find your way through the internet, learning how to make money. They shortcut that for you. And we advise our students to have at least 6 sources of income, because we saw what happened during the pandemic. I know some of our students are very successful in what they do. They like what they do. For example, one of our coaches, Wuhan, she's from Singapore. She's an engineer, okay? Computer engineer, very successful in her field. She likes what she does, but she has learned how to make money online for many, many years, and she's training a lot of students for over 12 years now. And she trades and makes money online for charity, gives it away to help for her favorite charities, helps, because she loves what she does, but she has other many sources of income, because what happens is during the pandemic, we learned, like my student here, Martha, they used to have restaurants. She's from Sydney, Australia. They had a restaurant business, but they had to shut down because of the closures and the pandemic restrictions, and people were not moving, so there wasn't much going on, and therefore they had to shut down the business, and now they have to find another source of income, and she's learning how to make money online, because with the power of the internet, guys, you can make money from wherever you are as long as there's an internet connection, okay? Sometimes we take trades at the airport lounge while we're waiting for the next flight. Pull up your phone, pull up your computer. As long as there's Wi-Fi or internet connection, boom, take a trade, pay for the whole trip, pay for the dinner while you're having dinner, okay? Guys, possibilities are endless, okay? So don't shorten your thinking. That's what I'm saying. Broaden your thinking. Think big, okay? There's a book, the famous book, I know most of you have heard about it. It's called Think and Grow Rich. That means you think about it, conceptualize it, put it to practice, work through it, put it into action, take action. Persistency, consistency will get you there. That's basically what that book is all about. It just shows you the possibilities of your thinking, the power of your mind, putting it in your mind, embracing that success, living it, drinking it, waking up with it, walking with it, whatever you do, just immerse yourself fully into that dream, that goal setting, taking action, the execution. And that's what we teach in our Smart Wolf Club. We spend a lot of time talking about the mindset, because even trading here, for example, right now Martha is trading, right? How long did it take us to put all these indicators here? Maybe 5 minutes or 10 minutes. But 99% of this is your mindset. How confident do you feel about the trade? Some people will draw these and see all these signals, but still they cannot take the trade. They are afraid they're going to lose the money. And when they lose the money, they're scared. They say this doesn't work. They become negative and they walk away. And they don't follow the right risk management parameters. Okay, they risk too much. They're using the wrong lot sizes. They have the wrong account sizes. They're using the wrong brokers. They're using they're trading the wrong time, things like that. You know what I mean? And and they're trading the wrong assets. You know, sometimes for example, here we are trading GBP USD. If I put NAS 100 here, you guys are going to see it moves very, very fast. Okay. So if you're a beginner, this would be a challenge to you sometimes. Okay. Look at that. You can see that right now. This moves pretty fast. You can see all this You can see these movements, okay? Compare that with the GBP, which is smaller movements. So basically what I'm trying to tell you guys, it depends on the asset that you're trading to. Some assets move really fast. You can see right now it's on a downward trend. This is NAS 100, the 5-minute chart. You can see it's showing us red down. Take a short. The signals here are telling us short, yeah? Short the market here. So we can just go and short this market. Let's see what will happen. You can short the market here. Okay, see, this trade is already in profit, guys. You can see, even before we walked away, we're already in profit. The 1 hour trade the swing trade that we took, we're already in profit, guys. You can see 690. We can close this for the day. 690 per day is a lot of money. Right now it's at 660. It's going up and down. But our target is here. Our take profit, the first take profit is this one here, and the second one is right here. So if we come here, we can close the trade, or we can just hold it further. If it gets here, we're going to bring our stop loss. The idea of this line is when it gets to our first take profit, we are going to bring our stop loss to our entry point here, so that if it swings back, we're at zero. We lose nothing. Okay, that is the goal. That's why we have this line here, guys. I'm teaching my student like the pro tactics, what the pros do. These guys you've seen on Instagram telling you they're making millions of dollars per day trading. These are some of the techniques they use. These are like advanced techniques, okay? You enter the trade, set your stop loss, set your trade take profit, okay? And you have several points of where you can take, possible points where you can take your profit. For example, we have number 1 here and number 2 here. This is our goal. Martha is aiming at this one down here. That would be nice if we get down here, but we don't control the markets. So if it comes down to this point right here, okay, we could easily get out of the market and take the profit, okay? But again, we can use this as our trailing. So we bring our stop loss down here, trailing stop loss. So therefore, if it swings back, we lose nothing, okay? We just make zero. We lose nothing, maybe just the commission, okay? So our account is intact. So literally you're risking nothing, but you stand to make money, okay? You entered the market, risking nothing. So you guys can see right now, this account is in the money, okay? It's the blue color here. Very nice. We could close this and take this bread home. That's 400 right now. 400 per day with less than 10 minutes of work. I mean, I can do that all day long, right? If somebody's paying me $400 in less than 10-hour work, I mean 10 minutes work, I'll take 10 of those. Let me have 5 of those, 20 of those. So you can see, we'll come back to this later, and I'll report this in our next video, show you how this trade ended up. But in the meantime, what I was showing you guys is this. You can see here the NAS, for example, okay, it moves faster. So that's what I was talking about. Sometimes you could be trading the wrong lot size, so you blow your account, or you could be using the wrong time frames, okay? So now for the NAS 100, these are indices. These move extremely fast. Excellent for scalpers, okay? Somebody who just wants to come into the market, make some quick bucks, a lot of it, and get out. And the potential is so massive with the NAS, okay? This so much money in this is so volatile. You can see in 1 second it is going up, the next minute is going up, the next minute is going down. So you can blow your account very easily with this one here if you don't control your stop losses and your take profits properly, okay? So this would be something that I will take up the next stage. For a beginner, I'll probably not go into this type of indices, US 30, NAS 100, and even a metal like gold. Gold moves pretty fast, okay? They have those huge spikes, and crypto is very spiky. Crypto could be ranging, could be very slow, but when it goes up and down, it could be a massive, huge candles, because it's very emotional, and that would not be a very good asset for a beginner. Beginners, you may want to trade like the currencies, maybe AUD, AU, okay, AUD, USD, that's the Australian dollar. Start with something like that. They move, but they don't move too fast, okay? And then you can dip your toes in there, start making some little profits, okay? especially if you have a small account, okay? And then from there, you dip your toes in there. Now you can see, guys, for example, this was a buy. We got a signal here for a buy. We could have entered for a buy, and look at that massive candle. We would be out of the market now with a huge profit, guys. This is a 5-minute chart, and you can see it gave us this buy signal here. So we could enter that, make some money, and come back tomorrow smiling all the way to the bank, okay? So the general bias is a downward trend. You can see we have this here, okay, showing us it's a generally a downward trend. That's the market bias. The market bias is a downward trend. So the NAS is going down, okay? So we would be looking for, where it says a sell, there's a likelihood that you're going to make more money if you do, the signal says sell, you can jump in. Buy, they might take you out of the market. So that's what I'm teaching my student. If the bias is a downward trend, that means I'll be looking for short sales. If the bias is a upward trend, then I'll be looking for long trades or the buy. So if I see a buy signal, I would quickly jump in. If I see a sell signal, in a case like this, I'll quickly jump in. But if it was, let's say the market was positive like it is here, so then I would be taking long trend. You see it's green all the way here. So the long trades here were very, very positive. They were very, very profitable here. And we did make a lot of money here. That's how we were able to grow Martha's account to over 100K, okay? This account started at small money, $1,000, and now it went to over 100K just trading the NAS and all the assets that we are trading here, okay, guys? So we can show you some of this in the community. And for those of you who want to be part of this journey, subscribe to our channel. We want to grow this channel to 5,000, guys, because we are looking for 1,000 people that we can mentor this year and get to the $1 million mark a year, okay? Last year we did it. The previous years we did it. So this year we started this channel. We want to get as many people involved in this as possible so people can learn how to make money. We want to give back to their community, okay? Touched our hearts during the pandemic. A lot of people losing jobs, a lot of people losing their sources of income, and we want to help people by giving this training. So by subscribing to our channel, YouTube is going to spread the information to many people so we can attract people to come to our group and learn how to trade, okay? Not only trading, make money online, because we teach trading is just one strategy. It's under the fast money strategy umbrella of our training. Under the fast money strategy, we're going to teach you how to trade everything that you like. If you want to trade crypto, Forex, stocks, options, it's your choice, okay? We're going to teach you. Somebody is there. Our coaches are there. They're going to help you get over that and start making profit. The fast money profit, fast money strategy. That's to put money and take care of you as quickly as possible. And then we're going to go into what we call the real bread and butter content strategy, where we show you how you can digital marketing, okay? You can put an ad on YouTube. You can put an ad on Instagram. You can put an ad on TikTok. You can put an ad on Pinterest, or you can use those social media platforms, or Google, put an ad on Google Network, and you can reach thousands of people with your product, with your services. And if you don't have your own, you can use other people's products, use other people's money to make profit, okay? Things that you do every day, things that you use every day. For example, today, what are you using? You probably use the soap, you use toothpaste, okay? So how can you get paid when you use toothpaste? How can you get paid when you use soap? That is how passive it can get, as passive as it can't get any easier than that, guys. So you guys can see we're profitable. It's going up and down, but our goal is to get to these levels here and then get out of the market, okay? So it's a day trade, so there's no hurry. We are trading on the 1 hour time frame. And let me take you back. We are using these indicators here, okay? If you don't know what these are, just subscribe to our channel. We explained these in our previous trainings. Go and watch some of our trainings. And of course, if you have any questions, leave some comments below the video so that one of us can answer. And if you need the one-on-one training, Please don't be shy, guys, because most people keep quiet and they don't get help. We cannot help you if we don't know what problems you have. You know, you have to say, you have to knock the door. The master teacher, I'm a believer. The master teacher says, if you knock, I will open. Okay? So if you don't knock, they don't open. They don't know you're out there. So you knock, we open. You don't knock, we don't open. Okay? So that's exactly what we are saying here, guys. Okay? So if you knock, the door shall be open for you. Okay, see, the sell sign is trying to happen there, guys. The sell sign is trying to happen there for the NAS 100. So if you jump in here, at this level here, where are you going to take profit? Okay, you can use one of these tools, short here, just come in here, and that's where you go. And you can put the previous swing low right there, or the size of this candle. Excuse me. Your profit could be the size of this candle, guys. So you just come and measure the size of that candle. See, the size of that candle is 72. Let's try to measure that again. That bar there. Okay, see, it's 78.82. So 78 pips, guys. So depending on your lot size, 78 pips could translate into a lot of money. Okay, guys? Especially with the NAS. So that would be our take profit and our stop loss, 78 pips. We just measured the size of that candle. And this is using the HTF Candle Insights. That's the purpose of this indicator right here, the HTF High Time Frame Candle Insights. So it shows you the higher time frame. So for the 5 minute, the higher time frame here is, we can put that at 30 minutes, okay, and save that. Okay. So you can see that size of that candle, how massive that candle is. So guys, learn some of these techniques. Spend time learning, because most people don't want to learn. They want to put the effort. You cannot succeed if you don't learn, guys. So learn these strategies. So like here now, I just pull that indicator. So what you do is the HTF. So under inputs, this is where you come and change the time frame. So if you're trading the 5 minute time frame, you go 2 steps ahead. So it'll be the 30 minutes. That's what you're going to put. And we are trading 5 minutes. If I was trading the 1 hour here, I'll probably put this one at 4 hours. Okay, so if we are 1 hour, I'll skip these 2 and go to the 4 hour time frame. Okay, so these candles here, the high time frame is 4 hours, and you can see it's showing a downward trend for the NAS. And when you come here, what is it telling you? It tells you to sell. Okay, so we could sell this for 1 hour day trade and go away and come back. So let me remove that. So you'll come here and we're going to take a short position right here. And our short position would be the size of this candle here. That would be our pips, the size of this candle. So we're going to target those number of pips. That's all we're going to do. We're just going to target this number of pips right here. All right, so let's see how many pips this thing is. All right, 74 pips, guys, about 75. Again, you could target that 75 pips. Okay, you could target 75 pips here for your stop loss and your take profit, 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Okay, and you'll be in profit. So if you're trading a big lot size, that's plenty of money for you for that day, guys. All right, so you guys, you can see this is in the money. Okay, so we're just waiting for the momentum to push this further down. Okay, because it is going down. Okay, we are hoping that it will come to retest this level right here. Okay, it's going down, and that is our dream. Okay, guys, so I'm going to cut this training off here, but join us in our channel. Subscribe to the Smart Wolf Club, because you're going to learn how to trade Forex. You're going to learn some of the best kept secrets, techniques, whatever you want to call them, strategies in trading Forex. You're going to learn how to trade options, binary options, stock options, all types of options. You're going to learn how to trade stocks. You're going to learn how to trade crypto. And then, of course, that is just under one umbrella strategy, which we call the fast money strategy. And then when you survive those fast money strategies, we're going to take you to our advanced trainings, which we call the content strategy. This is the juiciest part of the whole community. This is where you'll be making money at will, okay? You put $1 here, you make $10. You put $10 here, you make $100. You can 10x your income by just doing these simple things that we teach you. For example, you can leverage the power of YouTube advertisements. You can leverage the power of Instagram advertisements, influencers. You can leverage the power of Google network advertising. You can leverage TikTok ads, Snapchat ads. Some of you don't know that you can make a lot of money using Snapchat ads, okay? Some of you don't know that you can make money using TikTok ads. You think you have to make those funny videos on TikTok. You don't have to. You use other people's videos to make money. You don't need to create the video. You don't even need to show your face. And the best thing, you don't even need to know any of these things. You can outsource this for pennies on the dollar. We will show you how to do that. You have people working for you for pennies on the dollar to make you thousands of dollars without you even ever creating your own product or even providing the support for the product. Somebody else worries about that. Like I gave you an example. What did you use to brush your teeth today? Somebody's toothpaste, okay? You could be promoting that toothpaste and you get paid, okay? You get, every time somebody buys that toothpaste, you make some money. And you don't have to do anything crazy. Very, very simple. So we teach you some of those things in our advanced trainings. Okay, guys, so let me end this training here and go back. Let me just take you back to Tradingview. Okay, so there are 3 things that you need to do today. If you're a beginner, if you don't know what I'm talking about, just go ahead and open an account at thetradingview.com. The link is in the description. Go ahead and open an account and upgrade, okay? Upgrade to the basic account that allows you to use up to 5 indicators, because you need 5 of these here. You can see we have 5 indicators right now. Sometimes we use 2, 3, 4, 5, max 5, not more than 5, okay? Because then the chart is going to be full of indicators and confusing for beginners. Unless you're an advanced student where we have our own type of indicators that we put on here, then different signals, different lines, different techniques, then you're gonna need the more advanced, the pro subscriptions, okay? But for most of you, the basic subscription is enough. Go ahead and upgrade. You get 30% off today if you do that. So first, get your TradingView account. Secondly, get a Forex broker account. So I've put a link in the description there for FxSway. Go ahead and open that account, okay? FxSway, open an account, okay? And then thirdly, if you don't like FxSway, go ahead and open an account with MASARI. I've put all those brokers there. HANKOTRADE, I've put all those brokers there, Forex brokers, okay? Or you can also do your own research online, okay? And you can open an account with any of the brokers so you can practice this and get the demo account. Most of the demo accounts are free. Once you sign up, you get a free demo account and you can start following these strategies, start practice, start playing around with these indicators so you can get comfortable. Now, if you don't know what these things are, because some people are pretty new, you don't know what this red is. This is a red candle, meaning that going down. This is a bearish candle. Bearish meaning the market is going down. The price started here, it closed down here. The green candle means it went up. The price started down here, it closed up there. Okay, so those are just basic fundamentals, and you can learn this from the internet. Okay, just go to YouTube and watch a video about candles, what are trading candles, and somebody has broken this down. And if you want to watch some of our previous videos where we've gone through the basic training, that is in order. Okay, go and watch some of our previous trainings on candles and candle patterns and with different types of candles, so you can learn what this is all about, and how to do the basic charts, how to read the pairs, what is a lot size, what is a peep, all that stuff you can find online. And if you have any problem, if you need our help, again, as I said, you can work one-on-one with one of our coaches, and we will help you with all this. Okay, we can get onto a Zoom call. Like right now, Martha is online. She's camera shy, so she's not showing her face. We are on a Zoom with her, and we are going through this training, okay, where we're learning how to use these 5 indicators here and taking trades that are profitable. You can see this trade is already profitable. Had we started this, we would be in the money right now for the NAS 100. You can see that it's already going almost to our direction. It is going down, okay? You can see that it is going up and down, but it is eventually going to go down to our, because here the signal says sell, and it's also this other signal tells you short. So these two are green, and you can see this one also shows you it's a strong downward trend right here, pushing down, okay? So we could enter that and also be in the money, guys, okay? So basically, I've shown you how to trade this 5 minutes, okay, 5 minutes trades, okay, that was my goal here, 5 minutes and 1 hour, okay, 5 minutes, so you put the 5 minute, and then you're using this indicator here, you're going to change the HTF to, if you're doing 5 minutes, this should be just 30 minutes, okay, right there, that's the only thing you're going to change, the time frame, and of course you can see what it's doing in the 5 minute, you can see here, it went up, it shot up here, and now it's pushing down. And you can see the bias from our market bias, it shows downward trend. So we will be looking for sell trades, okay? If there's a buy signal, if there's a sell signal, then that is a strong signal for us to enter the market. And you can see, actually, you can see how this is behaving. It's all going down, and it's all going down, guys. So that was the 5 minutes. And then we can do the 1 hour. So for the 1 hour, what you do here, you're going to change this to a higher time frame. So 1 hour is right here. So we're going to skip this two and go to the 4 hours. You can see, so we'll be analyzing at the 4 hour level. Okay, you can see that the higher time frame, it's showing going down. Okay, so if there's 3 candles all going down, then we can enter the trade. That shows it's a strong downward trend. 3 red candles. On the 3rd one, we enter, take a sell trade, and we will be counting our money to the bank, guys. So, guys, before I end, let me say a word of prayer. Father, in the belief of the power of the Almighty, I pray that whoever is going to follow this training, whoever is going to do the 3 things that I talked about today, subscribing to this channel, liking this video, and sharing this video, and for those who are going to open their Tradingview account and then upgrade to the basic account, those who are going to open their Forex trading account today, and start practicing, they will be successful. And we pray this in the belief of the power of the Almighty. Amen. Guys, God bless you. May God bless the markets, and may we all make money in the markets. Thank you, guys. Good day, good morning, goodbye, good night, good morning, good evening, goodbye.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything